Today we're going to talk about why you should take definitely advantage of the huge opportunity to start with Facebook ads. And also we're going to cover all you need to know before spending anything on Facebook. What's up guys, Ika Musa here. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also you might want to join my new Facebook group where you can get the most famous Shopify stores which are currently online, just to get a little bit an idea or inspiration. Now why you should start with Facebook ads is pretty simple to explain. The main reason is that currently Facebook has 2.13 billion active users who are using Facebook every single day. And the best thing about Facebook is that you are able to laser target your audience, which means that Facebook is holding so much information about each and every person that you are able to go out there and simply target any kind of people that you have in your mind. Facebook is holding the gender, the age, the hobbies, where do you work, if you currently have kids, if you are married, if you're single. And all those informations are helping us to target exactly the people that we want. And this is a huge benefit for online marketers. For example, if we jump to our Facebook account, you can see over here that we reached, for example, yesterday, over 61,000 people spending 539 euros for one day. So this is basically not a high score because we are not targeting reach, we're targeting for conversions. That means Facebook goes out there and is searching people who are not just interested in products and will never buy. Facebook is specifically going out there and searching people who are willing to buy. And Facebook can do that pretty easily with their Facebook algorithm. The good thing about Facebook is you can start even with budgets like €5 a day to test products and to see if you get results. If not, you can simply shut down the ad and you don't have any costs, which is different to, for example, let's imagine you have a restaurant, you have a local business like a fashion store or something like that. There you will always have your running cost and they will always stay the same, no matter if you have customers or not. In Facebook or in the online world, it's pretty much different. You're much more flexible. You can shut down anytime your ads. You don't have any costs which are killing your budgets. I will show you in another video how to target specifically an audience that you might want to reach. But for now, I'm going to tell you what you need before actually starting with Facebook ads. It is really important. First of all, you need to set up business manager account, Facebook business manager account. This is pretty easy. Once you created a page, when you go on your Facebook profile, on the left side down, you will find somewhere the button which says create a page. Once you created your page for your shop, you are able to have a business account. So once you have your business account, you go over here in your ad manager account settings under pixels. If you click pixels, you will come to this kind of page where you can set up your pixel. I will do it actually for the store we just created in the second video that I made, and you simply hit use an integration or tag manager. So you should click on the first option if you have a Shopify or WooCommerce shop, and once you click here, it will give you certain options. For us it's Shopify. And what the Facebook pixel does is actually saving all the informations that is happening right now or just happened in the last 30 days or in the last 180 days on your page. So for example, if we check this colourpop.com, which is one of the most famous or the famous Shopify store in the world, if we browse, for example, over here, the Facebook pixel is tracking everything that I do on this page. For example, we click on this product and the Facebook pixel will save exactly when and for how long I was staying on this page, and you can simply retarget. For example, I will get later probably a promotion ad about this product because I was on the page. And even if I press add to cart, this is everything saved in the pixel code. You go to your Facebook business account, and then once you click settings, under settings or measure and report, you click pixel, and then you will come here to this page where it's asking you to set up a pixel, and you use the first option, which is already preset for Shopify. And once you have your pixel, it is even explaining how to set up in your Shopify shop. So you simply go to next. Okay. So this is your pixel, and you copy this pixel code. You go ahead to your Shopify shop, online stores. Once you click that, you can see here under preferences, Facebook pixel. So here you can paste your Facebook pixel ID and save it. And that's it, guys. So it's pretty simple. Now Facebook is tracking everything what is happening in your store. To check if it's working correctly, you can install the Chrome extension, which is called Facebook Pixel Helper. You simply go to Google, search it, Facebook Pixel Helper, and you can install it. Once you install it on your Chrome, you'll be able to see if your pixel is firing or not. For example, this is our new Shopify store, and this is the Pixel Helper, and it is actually tracking right now that I'm viewing this page. And if we go even, for example, to our product, which we uploaded last time, and even if I click now add to cart, it will track exactly what I did. You can see here the number just went up to 4. That means 4 actions already happened, and here you can see that I add to cart is saved now in my pixel code. So this information is huge because you are now able to target me later on in Facebook to provide me an ad and to remind me, oh, I was on that page. Actually, I wanted to buy it, but at the same time, the post guy was ringing or something happened, so I just forgot to check out. And you are able to bring your customers back and to proceed the purchase. The next video will be about Facebook ads. So we're going to make our first Facebook ad. So I hope you like this video. Just comment some questions below. I will try to answer them as fast as possible. And see you next time.